So what does it mean when your online case status shows that your case is being actively reviewed? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the U.S. immigration process. So USCIS has this tool where you can check your case status. And one of the things that you will find if you check your case status is that your case is being actively reviewed. And a lot of people ask, okay, it says actively reviewed. When will I get a decision? Why is it still taking months? Why does it say this every day? What is going on? Well, actively reviewed, it means something different than what we would expect. A lot of people see actively reviewed and you're thinking, great, it's on an officer's desk and they have my application and they're reviewing it. In the world of immigration, it means they have your application and they're completing the process, their internal process. And so actively reviewed could mean, hey, they received your case. And it's surprising for a lot of people to find that immigration has so many different offices across the US and they're still paper-based. And your file might have multiple parts and it's literally being transported to other places, other offices in the US. So actively reviewed could mean your case is being transported or moved around from point A to point B to point C as it's going through its checks and review. Actively reviewed could also mean it has made it to an immigration officer's desk. If you've ever been to an immigration office, and if you haven't, I'll tell you a little bit about what it looks like. A lot of times when I go in the immigration officer's office, they have boxes and stacks of files. So actively reviewed could actually mean your file has made it into that immigration officer's office and it's in one of those stacks. And it could also mean that the officer does have your case and immigration has long checklists that the officer has to go through to check background, to check aspects of the form, to check evidence. And so the actively reviewed could mean they're going through that checklist. So that's a little bit of an overview of what that case status means and why it doesn't necessarily mean you will be getting a decision necessarily tomorrow or next week. It's just part of that immigration process. If you'd like to learn more about the immigration process, I invite you on over to our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.